universe is an amazing realm of unimaginable size and complexity. It is so large that our Earth, our Sun, even our entire galaxy are all like microscopic grains of sand in an enormous desert. But there is evidence that we actually do have a special relationship with the rest of the universe. Although the universe is unaware of our existence, there is evidence that it has been organized for our survival and benefit. The universe may seem far larger than necessary to support life on a tiny planet like ours, but in fact the universe needs to be as large as it is. If it were any smaller, gravitational pull would collapse it and it would cease to exist. The existence of complex life in the universe requires at least 3 dimensions and a very large, very old universe. Atheist physicist Fred Hoyle was convinced that some kind of superintelligence was responsible for ordering the universe in a special way, even though he did not believe in God. Various atheist philosophers and even scientists say a search for a creator is a valid scientific exercise, since they believe science can detect evidence of creative work. Does it look like we are cared for? Our sun is essential for all life on Earth. Without it, every living organism would die. The Earth is in a unique position near the sun. However, since the sun is close and hot enough to provide the Earth with enough light and heat for life on Earth, the sun is also close enough to be dangerous. Enormous solar flares thrown out by the sun, sometimes up to 30 times larger than the Earth itself, launch huge amounts of radiation toward us. These solar flares could wipe out our electrical systems and cause massive damage to life on Earth. Why would a creator put the Earth close enough to the sun to be in danger? How does this show the intelligence and care of the creator? In fact, the Earth is protected from solar flares and the solar wind, so that even when an unusually large solar flare erupts, life on Earth is preserved without harm. As the solar flare approaches the Earth, it is deflected by a huge magnetic field which surrounds the entire planet. This field, the magnetosphere, protects the Earth from the harmful radiation of solar flares and the solar wind. Radiation from solar flares and the solar wind is ionized above the atmosphere of the Earth, and is seen over the North Pole as the aurora borealis and over the South Pole as the aurora australis. Millions of asteroids have entered the solar system over time. Comets and asteroids continue to enter the solar system, posing a potential threat to life on Earth. However, the enormous gravitational pull of Jupiter, our solar system's giant planet, drags asteroids off course. It is not a coincidence that the Earth is the only planet in our solar system with life. Complex and intelligent life in particular requires a large number of specific variables, a rarity in the universe. The Moon's many craters are a history of its function as a shield, protecting the Earth from the impact of very large near-Earth objects which escape Jupiter's gravity. Life on Earth is protected and cared for by an array of complex systems working together in harmony. The magnetosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, aerosphere, and geosphere are all essential to maintaining complex life on our planet. However, our Earth also experiences many natural disasters: earthquakes, volcanoes, typhoons, and floods. How is this compatible with a loving Creator? Why do these events occur? The answer is that these natural disasters are the byproducts of systems which are absolutely essential to maintaining life on Earth. Without those systems, life would not exist. We cannot enjoy the benefits of these systems without their drawbacks. Tropical storms bring significant environmental benefits and prevent large earthquakes by releasing plate tension in slow quakes. Volcanoes are the product of plate tectonic movement, and yet they are an essential factor for life on Earth. Without volcanic and tectonic activity, our planet would be dead. The plate tectonic system, which results in earthquakes and volcanoes, is produced by the spinning of the Earth's molten core. This action also produces the magnetosphere, without which life on Earth could not survive.